Hey guys, it's Julia here. Welcome back to another video. Where have I been? I'm about to tell you. So y'all know I've just recently graduated from the university, and this is the time that you start to question yourself, asking what next, what next, what next in my life. Well, this has been one of those times for me, and I came across this digital marketing course. I have tried to make money online for the longest of time. In fact, since I got my first job, I've always just wanted to be financially free, if you know what I mean. So I found this course after my uni where I had nothing else to worry about, and it took me a week to learn everything about digital marketing. It takes you through the step-by-step stages of how you can actually learn from scratch, and I invested in it straight away. For £407 you get access, you get training from scratch as a beginner to talk to you about everything that you need to know to set up your own business. You might have been hearing about digital marketing for the longest of time, but this right here is the course for you. I'm telling you, if I found this sooner, I'm telling you, I would have retired. Yeah, I'm 25. So if you want to learn more, just click the link down below and it'll take you straight to where you need to learn everything about it. It took me 6 days to complete and set up, and I cannot wait for you to join. Let's make the money. I didn't tell you about the course. This is a master resale rights course, so you get full rights to resell the course for 100% profit. It's not like where you have to resell products and then some part of the money is going to a third party. No, you resell this course and you're getting 100% profit, and that's how you make money. This course also teaches you affiliate marketing, email marketing, different kinds of marketing, and I tell you, Imara is the way to go. If you have any questions whatsoever, put them down in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the top.